WaterConneX is a set of features and analytics specifically built to solve some of the big problems in the water industries. WaterConneX is powered by the FacilityConneX Cloud platform and set of services. There's several topics I want to talk about today. One of them being accessibility and centralization. And when I talk about accessibility and how you view your data and centralizing of the data, I also want to expose one of the key aspects of it, and it's about the concept of roles. Whether it be the quality departments of your business, or your executive area of the business, or the engineering groups. We can break up and push the context based on the role of the user. And by centralizing all of that those key performance indicators, or KPIs, into one common accessible platform, you then drive efficiency, operational and business efficiencies, by having that data at your fingertips. And WaterConneX then becomes really the voice of all of your equipment. Yeah, what I'd like to demonstrate now is our mobile solution, and this really is a picture of that role-based exposure. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to the executive, and I'm just going to take a look at some of the tank levels across the fleet. So now I've access to all of the KPIs that I've laid out in my model. So in addition to just trending or visibility, I could opt into subscribing to an alarm or configure a threshold on one of these key indicators, and opt into SMS or email notification. The key part of this, for many water industries, is that we're bringing all the data to some common place. We're normalizing it. And once we have the data, we can do much, much more. WaterConneX is helping bridge the gap with older isolated equipment to help the industry comply with current standards and regulations for data tracking. Our manual data entry, or MDE we call it, system allows users to specify those key pieces of information that are required maybe for compliance, or tracking of data, or even further analysis, and then offers an interface via mobile or your browser devices to make those data entry points. At that point, those entries are really part of the digital world. They're part of the digital records, where they can be audited, modified, trended, and you can really do more analysis, further analysis, based on that new data that's now part of the digital records. FacilityConneX has embedded expertise from industry-leading hydrogeologists to create continuous monitoring analytics for baselining continuous well health characteristics, such as specific capacity. Specific capacity is simply the pumping rate or yield divided by the drawdown. It's a very valuable number that can be used to provide the design pumping rate or maximum yield for the well. It can be used to identify potential well, pump, and aquifer problems. What we have outlined here is the natural calculation that's occurring. So as the well in its normal operation is turning down, or the pump is stopping, our analytics that are streaming behind the scenes are recognizing those right conditions and then pushing forward and driving new data points to really automate those test results. As you can see, this solution, this platform can really be one common set of truth, but expose the right information for you based on your role.